No traffic, we're sailing.
Yeah, it's like we're on a ship. Coming from Africa to America.
Sheldon, this is completely inappropriate. You can't keep comparing yourself to a slave.
Yes, Miss Amy.
I believe you're married to that idiot.
Would you stop? We just did it as a goof.
The goof or not, you're actually married. You need to get this taken care of.
I will. Why are you making this such a big deal?
Oh, I have a reason. It could be because you said yes to marrying Zach, but every time Leonard's proposed, he's gotten a resounding no. Yeah, that's just off the top of my head.
So how do I undo this?
I'm hoping you can get an annulment, so it's just like it never happened.
Great. Well, what do I have to do?
It says here you can get an annulment if any of the following conditions are met. Were you unable to consummate the marriage?
Penny, next.
Is there any evidence of fraud, bigamy, want of understanding?
Want of understanding? What does that even mean?
Ding, 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 we have a winner.